Absolutely. And that's great, man. That's really beautiful because I think that everybody, really wants to be understood. Everybody wants to live a happy life. Everybody wants to live, a life of joy.
Yeah.
And if you can't, how do I say, internalize that, if you don't know what that feels like internally, well, you're not going to be able to live it externally as well, right? And so
Yes.
you raise a great, and you really raise a great point there as well. There is the difference between how you deal with things mentally and how you deal with emotions of the situation. Can you speak a little bit about heart versus mind, and how these two, what we kind of consider to be totally different things, but as you just said, they are one, how that those two things affect somebody, and how that you help them do that better, I guess, is a way to say that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So lots of the people are living with the mind, as I said, mind
Hmm.
is based on conditioning, programming, mind take us into the thought of the past or the future,
Hmm.
mind try to hurt us, mind try to take revenge, mind is based on chattering, and wandering, mind always try to create distraction, deviation into our life. Heart says, I love you unconditionally, I hug you unconditionally. Heart is based on no give, no take. Mind says, if you do something, I can do something, So therefore, mind is based on creating logic, reasoning, negativity, darkness, Heart says, no, we are deeply connected at the level of interconnection, because we are one. So the more we connect with the heart, what will happen? The more we try to live into the present moment awareness, because present moment awareness is based on divine movement. Just for example, we are celebrating this present moment awareness, so the more we keep on transcending our ego, the beautiful conversation, it will go in autopilot in the natural state, but when I say, like, I'm a teacher, I'm a guru, then it's a stupidity, it is totally stupidity, how can I be teacher, how can I be guru? The nature is teacher, the universe is guru, but when we transcend our mind, when I transcend our ego, then everything flow in effortless effort way.